if I'm being honest, I have been unhappy in my career for years, literally for years. And I just did not want to go back to school. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I have two master's degrees already, I have student loans, and I did not want to go through that whole process again. And so, literally, for years, I was trying to figure out a way that I could finesse like the skill set and the experience that I have without retraining or going back to school. And I personally was not successful in doing. Back reflectively on my career, like I've had a great career as a clinical social worker, and I don't want this video to be like disparaging to anyone who works in the areas of mental health or social work, because it's great work and you are doing like very hard work, and you're very undervalued oftentimes. And so I don't want to pile on in any sort of way. But for me, even though I would describe myself as having a successful career and having someone that has had like literally any sort of experience that you can imagine, from management to working in hospital and healthcare settings, like literally everything, working at NGOs, I've done it all. I've literally done it all. And there's nothing else for me to do in the field. And aside from that, I'm over it. I'm literally over it. And along with just being like tired, physically tired in terms of just being drained, when I look back over my career and places that I've worked back home in the US as well as here in the UK, the roles that I've enjoyed the most always were linked in some way to working in the court system. So in the US for 5 years, I worked for a public defender's office in one of the largest cities in the US. Here in the UK, I've worked with the family courts, and I've also done like safeguarding reports in public sort of court work. And I've always enjoyed that. And so it made sense for me, as someone that has experience working within the court system as a non-lawyer, to go back and retrain as an attorney. Head on over to my YouTube channel to watch this full video. I post new videos every Monday. See you later.